Hi, good day. I'm Teacher Maria. So before we start, I would like you to get your books, okay? So get your inside out book and your workbook, okay? Okay, both of these books, okay? So for today, we're going to study about the first chapter, okay? In your book, it's page 1, okay? So it's about nutrition and digestion, okay? So we will go to about nutrition and digestion, okay? We're going to focus about nutrition first, okay? So these are the objectives of this chapter. It's in your book. You can read. So let's start, okay? So what are the different types of nutrients, okay? First, we have to understand that food provides nutrients, okay? Nutrients are substances that we get from food that our body needs for us to be healthy and strong, okay? So we have 6 types of nutrients that we're going to study. We have carbohydrates, proteins, fats, water, vitamins, and minerals, okay? So first, we're going to study about carbohydrates. This time, I'm not going to give you vocabulary words because these are lessons that you already studied when you were in Pratom 2, Pratom 3, okay? So I hope that you're familiar with these words already, okay? So we have carbohydrates, okay? Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy, okay? They provide us with energy, okay? And there are 2 main types of carbohydrates. We have sugars and starch, okay? And foods such as rice, potatoes, bread, and noodles, they are high in starches, okay? So these are rice, potato, and bread. These are the same in your book, so you can look at your book as well, okay? They are high in starch, okay? And we have also noodles, cake, and cookies. These are examples of food rich in carbohydrates as well, okay? Now, we said that carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. Now, if we eat a lot of carbohydrates, excess carbohydrates are changed into fats in our body, okay? They are stored in the body as a fat. So if you eat too much of carbohydrates and you don't use that energy, it will become fats, okay? It will be stored in your body as fats, okay? Now, fiber, okay? Fiber is a different type of carbohydrate, okay? So they cannot be broken down or digested in our body. They will be passed out of our body. Now, they are important. Now, fiber is important because fiber helps prevent constipation, okay? When you say constipation, this is the difficulty of passing out a stool, okay? So what are the food rich in fiber? We have fruits and vegetable, no? There's a question here. Let's think. Does fiber provide us with energy? So fiber does not provide energy, okay? It's a type of carbohydrate that does not provide energy. However, it is important because it helps in preventing constipation, okay? It helps the food to move slowly in the digestive system smoothly, okay? I hope you understand about carbohydrates. Remember the examples of food rich in carbohydrates, okay? Now we move on to another nutrient. We have proteins, okay? Proteins are needed for growth and repair, okay? It's for your growth and repair because they build muscles, okay? They build muscles in our body. So we need to exercise and take in proteins, okay? So these are examples of food rich in proteins. We have beans, nuts, eggs, and meat, okay? Protein can also provide energy, just like carbohydrate. They can also provide energy. But if you have carbohydrates in your body, then the body will use the carbohydrates first before they use the protein, okay? And fats, okay? Another examples, we have milk and tofu. These are food rich in proteins, okay? And then we have fats, okay? Fats are sources of energy as well, okay? So we have three main sources. The main source of energy is carbohydrate. Protein provides energy as well, and fats provide energy as well, okay? Actually, fats contain more energy than carbohydrates. But if, as I said, if you still have carbohydrates in your body, the body will use the carbohydrates first, okay? Another function of fats in our body is that it keeps us warm, okay? Fat keeps the body warm. And it also acts as a cushion to protect body organs from injury, okay? So these are the function of fats. So what are the food rich in fat? We have oil, butter, cheese, and many more, okay? Next, we have water, okay? Water is very important. We have studied it even in when you were in Anuban, or ever since Pratom 1 to Pratom 5, we've been studying about the importance of water, okay? So our human body is made up of 70% water, okay? And it functions in our body to help transport nutrients, okay? It helps transport nutrients to different parts of the body. It helps to remove waste from our body, and it helps control our body temperature. So if you feel very hot, when you drink water, you feel refreshed, okay? So it helps to control our body temperature, okay? See, it helps cool down the body, okay? And it says we need to drink about 2 liters of water every day, okay? Next, we move on to vitamins, okay? Vitamins are needed by our body in small amount, vitamins, but they are important for our body to work properly, okay? And there are different kinds of vitamins. We have vitamins A, B, C, D, E, and K. So each vitamin has their own function, okay? So for example, vitamin A helps repair our skin, and vitamin D helps to form strong teeth and bones, okay? So what are the food rich in vitamins? So these are fruits and vegetables, okay, as from the example. And then we have minerals, okay? So just like vitamins, it's also needed in small amounts, not like carbohydrates and proteins, but they are also very important, okay? Minerals makes our body work properly, okay? So we have different examples of minerals. We have calcium, iron, potassium, okay, and many other. They work differently, so each of these minerals have their own function in our body. So for example, calcium helps to build strong bones, okay, and potassium helps in muscle growth, okay? And so what are the food high in minerals or rich in minerals? We have different vegetables, fish, milk and yogurt, nuts, cheese, and tofu, okay? So for today, this slide. Are vitamins and mineral sources of energy? Does vitamins or does minerals do they provide energy? No, the answer is no, they do not provide energy, okay? Only carbohydrates, fats, and proteins provide energy. But they are important, okay? Because they help the body to keep strong. They help the body function properly. Okay. So in your student book, you can answer page 6. Okay. So this is in your student book, page 6. Answer. You match these words into their function. Okay, what's the function of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, water, fiber, and calcium? Okay. Okay, and in your workbook, you can answer your workbook, page 1. Okay, page 1 and 2. Okay, so you answer, you match each food with the type of nutrients that it's rich in, and then you match each type of nutrients to its function. Okay, page 1, and then on page 2, you fill in the blanks with the words below. Okay, so there are 6 choices and there are only 3 correct answers. Okay, so I will see you again next time. Try to be familiar with the words. Okay, if you're not sure about the meaning, look for it, what it means in Thai. Okay, stay safe, stay at home, and see you again next time. Bye.